Today, we'll learn how to add an image watermark to your videos. Watermarks are perfect for branding or protecting your content, and using an image as a watermark adds a professional touch. Let's dive in. Start by importing your video and placing it on the timeline. Then open the effects library, search for the watermark effect, and drag it onto your clip. By default, the watermark is set to text, but let's switch it to an image. Head to the inspector panel on the top right and check the use logo option. Next, go to your media pool, find the image you want to use as a watermark, like your logo, and drag it into the clip name property in the inspector panel. If I zoom in, you can see how it initially appears. First, let's increase the blend value. This makes the logo more visible so you can clearly see the changes we're making. Let's start customizing it to make it unique by adjusting the saturation. If you prefer one large watermark instead of a repeating pattern, reduce the copy's width and copy's height. Then increase the size to make the watermark large and noticeable. Finally, decrease the blend value to create a subtle, professional looking watermark that doesn't overpower your video. And that's it. You've successfully added an image watermark to your video in DaVinci Resolve. This is a great way to protect or brand your content effortlessly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks.